Hi. How are you doing in Japan?
Japan. Do you miss her?
Of course. Of course I do.
What do you miss?
Auntie, how do you say it? Auntie Lorraine.
Okay.
And can you give me like how to call it? Can you buy her a necklace? Get it for her. Give me a souvenir. Yeah.
What kind? What do you want?
Any color.
Any color.
Anything. Yeah, anything, Anything, any color, but not the expensive one.
Not the expensive one.
I want the expensive one.
Okay.
Or the cheap.
Or cheap.
I'm gonna get I want the cheap.
Okay. Anything else?
Probably a dolly.
A dolly. You?
She's too old to get a dolly. I don't care. I want something from a video. But I want a good one, a strong one. Ruben is less on that game. She's on level 10. Give her her cookies. La 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 la. Get off of me! This one. 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 35, 40. What? What are you looking at me for? Actually, I should get the level 2 one or level 3. Yeah. That's a really level one.